Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk through how to apply a study visa to travel to Bolivia. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I've opened official Bolivia government website, visa website. This is available in multiple languages. So I just go for English. So you need to have login password, and if you don't have an account you can create it here, but you can also sign it with Google. So I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you. Login, here you come. Okay, and you have to create your visa application. Okay, so the very first thing is to put your passport information. So for example, you need to do as per your case. I select regular passport, and any information I select in this video is sample and not real. And neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you read at your own risk. Passport issuing country, you need to do as per your case. Visa type. This is really important. Temporary work, health, family, exchange without state agreement, regular student, exchange with state agreement, okay, transit humanitarian. So let's say regular student visa, okay, passport number. I'm just putting sample, okay, issue date. You can use this one. Just sample, guys. Expiry. Just sample. Expedition place. Let's say I select whatever is your case you're gonna do. Okay. So you are going for regular for student visa application, of course. So we are gonna for that example. See, there are multiple tabs created: personal information, passport, visa application, emergency contact, attachment, and then declaration, and then you do. So here is one photo also. They have specified the specification. Let me see, I can take you to other tabs. Perfect. So you need to provide personal information here, date of birth, place of birth, and other things, mobile number. Passport information, some information we have already given, so it's already here. Visa application, regular. How many days you want to stay in Bolivia? So they are giving up to 60 days, of course, like you can, based on your requirements, you can apply for other things. How you will be entering, airport, okay. Point of entering, destination, whatever is applicable. Destination, whatever. If you have applied, have you before, then select yes. If not, just leave it. You will go to next. Emergency contact, first, second. Then attachments. What are the attachments? Passport, certificate of vaccination against yellow fever, and other health if possible. Okay. Then some items are in Spanish, I think, but it's not too difficult to understand. Documents, uh, something related to institution, university it is. So you can do that. Certificate, current certificate testing that one person has no criminal record. Okay. And then next, and here you will do the declaration and submit the application. So that's how it goes, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.